Hi traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and we're now taking a look at the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. It's Fed day today. We're going into the Fed meeting. Possibility, very unlikely possibility of a rate cut today from the Fed. More likely we're going to see them indicate a strong likelihood of a rate cut in July. But the most important thing is to see how dovish they are. Is this going to be one and done? Are we lining up for another rate cut later in the year? Maybe two more rate cuts in the year. The market's certainly pricing in 2 to 3 rate cuts potentially this year. For dollar yen, which we're looking at in here, dollar yen paralyzed in here throughout June. Market going very sideways, caught in basically a 1 point range between 107.79 here and 108.80. Failing miserably though more recently, down from below the trend line that comes down from April, capped off by this resistance area at 108.72.80. Up there beginning of this week, failing, rebounded towards there yesterday and failing again this morning. All of this looks very negative ahead of the Fed. So downside risk very much intact. And from a technical perspective, there is real risk we feel for an impulsive breakout of this range through the Fed. And our bias will be to the downside through 107.79 and for further weakness to challenge targets down here going into the balance of this week. However, should we break above 108.80 and then challenge the trend line, then that would signal obviously a more bullish tone, and then we'd be looking for upside potentially up towards 109.59 and 109.92. Our bias lower, but watching out for the break in either direction through today's Fed meeting. Have a great trading day.